Good morning and welcome to day 5 of my healthy restart and TGIF. Thank God it's Friday. It's been a long week. So I am headed to work. I am going to have the Cinnamon Crunchios cereal with half a cup of almond milk, unsweetened almond milk. I will show you my second fueling and then I will be back for lunch. I am home for lunch, and today I'm going to make avocado toast. And how I'm going to do that is with my buttermilk cheddar herb biscuit mix, which I know is discontinued. I still have plenty. I'll be very sad when they run out anyway. And I'm going to waffle that in my mini dash waffle maker, and then I'm going to top it with 1.5 ounces of avocado that I got from my Walmart grocery haul. Tonight I'm making chicken breast, and chicken breast is a leaner, which means you get one healthy fat. But I do not intend to use it in my lean and green, so I'm going to use that healthy fat for the 1.5 ounces of avocado. So I'm going to get started. Well, my avocado toast was delicious. I know that buttermilk biscuit is discontinued. I was thinking that you could probably do close to the same thing with the garlic mashed potatoes. You could waffle them and then use the avocado on it. I think that would be pretty good. I know there's some recipes for turning the mashed potatoes into bagels, so it's along the same lines. Well, I'm gonna head back to work. I am bringing the Smoky Barbecue Crunchers for my fourth fueling, and I'll see you when I get back. Well, I am home from work, and I'm getting ready to make my lean and green for this evening. And by the way, Mike is over, and I'll be cooking for him as well. What I'm having tonight is chicken breast that I got from wildfork.com. I get my salmon fillets from them and I really like them. So I am trying their chicken breast that has a dry rub on it of turmeric, lemon, and thyme. So I'll show you that. So I'm gonna just bake it in the oven at 375 until it reaches an internal temperature of 165. I'm not quite sure what I'm dealing with here in this package, so I've got to cut it open and see how big the chicken breasts are. And in addition to the chicken breast, I am going to have cauliflower rice for myself. I'm getting the riced cauliflower stir fry from Trader Joe's. I'm gonna have 1 cup of that for 2 greens. And then I have my frozen green beans from Trader Joe's. And I'll have 1 serving of green beans as well. And for Mike, I have my frozen cup of white rice that I'm gonna heat up for him. So I'm going to get started with that. Okay, I opened the package up and it's just 2 fairly large chicken breasts. So I've got my oven preheated to 375 and I'm going to bake them for about a half an hour and then check them with my meat thermometer. I have a Pampered Chef meat thermometer. I will cook the beans and the rice and I'll meet you back when Mike and I are having our lean and green. Okay, I've got my cup of cauliflower rice and my 1 serving of green beans and my 6 ounces of chicken breast. And I've got Mike's plate and we are now gonna sit down and have our lean and green. All right, well, here's my lean and green and Mike's gonna try the chicken from wildfork.com.
Pretty huge.
I didn't even give you the whole thing. We've got like another whole serving left.
Juicy.
It is. All right, it's pretty good.
Very tasty.
Looks like, huh?
I put too much in my mouth.
Oh, well, it looks like a winner. Well, we had our lean and green and I think it was pretty good. The seasoning on the chicken was slight, but it was really tasty. And I'm going to count the seasoning because it was a dry rub according to the package. I'm going to count the seasoning as 1 condiment. I put a little bit of salt on the green beans, so I will count that as a condiment as well. And then Mike and I are going to go watch some television and we will come back for our last fueling. It's time for my last fueling. And tonight I'm going to have the sweet blueberry biscuit. Now, you guys know I have a recipe on my channel for blueberry cheese Danish. Well, I need to backtrack just a little bit. This morning, I had the Cinnamon O's cereal, and I said I was going to have it with a half cup of almond milk for half a condiment. Well, I put my half cup of almond milk in a Tupperware container to take to work. And when I got to work, the almond milk was out of the container and all in the bottom of the plastic bag I had carried it in. So I did not have my half a condiment this morning. I had 2 condiments for dinner, which leaves me with 1 condiment for the day. So I decided to do a lazy version of my blueberry cheese Danish. And basically, I just mix up the blueberry mix according to package directions. And then I chop up the Laughing Cow cheese wedge and I stick it in the batter and I put it all in the microwave for a minute and it comes out pretty good. So I'm going to have that for my last fueling and I'm just gonna say goodnight. I will see you guys tomorrow.
Walking hand in hand on the ocean floor, down deep we wander. Louder we sing, no there is no cure in this together. I don't wanna tell you that it's not real. Nothing is a fairy tale. Everything about you is so unreal. It won't be pretty when it ends. Now how could I leave with your sweet love on me? Yeah, yeah. Something about you always makes it harder. When you got my lipstick on your white shirt collar. sure we'll never grow old. I don't wanna tell you that it's not real. Nothing is a fairy tale, but everything about you is so unreal. It won't be pretty when it ends. Now how could I leave with your sweet love on me? Yeah, yeah. Something about you always makes it harder. When you got my lipstick on your white shirt collar. When we should stop, we go further. Didn't even notice that it rained all summer. When we should stop, we go further. Didn't even notice that. Now how could I leave with your sweet love on me? Yeah, yeah. Something about you always makes it harder. My lipstick on your white shirt collar.
Hi, and welcome to day 6 of my healthy restart. As you saw previously, I had my first fueling, which was the cream cheese cinnamon swirl cake, which I know is discontinued too. I don't have quite as many of those as I do the buttermilk biscuits, but I did buy a couple boxes before they went out of stock. One of my favorites, I'm going to miss it. And my second fueling, you saw me prepare, and that is my air fryer potato skins. And I will link the video for my air fryer potato skins up here. But basically, it's going to be one fueling, 1/2 of a healthy fat, and 1/4 of a lean. And as you saw in the beginning, I had my Nespresso coffee this morning, and I put 1.5 tablespoons of half and half in it for 1/2 of a fat. You know, I was looking at my air fryer potato skin video just to refresh my memory, and ironically, I was on day 6 of a healthy restart then. And as you can probably guess, that didn't work out so well. But that is one of the reasons why I am documenting the full 30 days. I want to be accountable, and I really want to do this together. So if you are at all interested in joining me, I've linked my information below. You can email me or fill out my health assessment form and I will contact you directly. You can also contact me on Instagram. You also saw that I am starting to incorporate exercise into my routine. In a previous video, I gave you a picture of my little workout room I have down in my basement, so I finally used it. I did half an hour on the treadmill, and I'm gonna try to make this a regular thing. So now I'm going to enjoy my second fueling of the day, and I will see you later. My air fryer potato skins were delicious. And look what arrived. My box from Optavia. I think it's just a little mini unboxing, but I thought, well, I've gotcha. I will show you what I got. I actually ordered it a while ago. I don't even remember what I got. Yes, very mini, but well needed. Okay, let's look at shakes first. My favorite shake, the peanut butter shake. Like I've said in a previous video, with working full-time and the type of job I have, sometimes I don't have a lot of time to eat my fuelings, and that's where the shakes come in. I really like them because they just take minutes to drink if I'm in a hurry. and the creamy chocolate shake. It's actually been a while since I've had this one. I tried the rich dark chocolate shake and I liked it okay, but I really like the creamy chocolate much better. And tried and true favorite, the decadent chocolate brownie with Greek yogurt chips. This is probably my favorite fueling to have at the end of the day, as you have probably seen in my videos. Okay, now the rest are all bars. Yes, the Campfire S'mores bar, another one of my favorites. Oh my. And I got 3 creamy double peanut butter crisp bars. Now, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna give one of these to my daughter. They're her favorite bar. And they're probably my favorite bar too. It's a tie between that and the chocolate mint crisp bar. But I got 3 boxes of these. I should be set for a while. And speaking of the devil, I got the chocolate mint cookie crisp bar. So not much of an unboxing, but since it was here, I thought I would share it with you guys. I will see you for my next fueling. Okay, well, I'm about ready to make our lean and green, and I just wanted to show you a little bit of what I've done. I've got some cut up chicken breast, and I have cut up yellow, red, and orange peppers, and a little bit of onion. The onion is a condiment. I'm going to season the meat with Feast Mode Mexican Fiesta for another condiment, and then I'm going to measure out, for me, 4.5 ounces of chicken breast because I used a 1/4 cup of cheese in my air fryer potato skins. So I will have 4.5 ounces of cooked chicken, and then I'm going to serve that with 1 serving of cooked peppers over 2 servings of this spicy Mexican style riced cauliflower from Trader Joe's. And for Mike's lean and green, I'm going to serve him the same chicken and peppers and onion, but I made some white rice, and I'll serve his over regular rice. So I'm going to saute everything and put it all together and show you the finished product. Okay, I have our lean and greens plated up. This is 4.5 ounces of cooked chicken over 1 serving of peppers and 2 servings of the cauliflower rice. And I weighed everything out on my trusty scale. And then this is Mike's plate over white rice. So we're going to go enjoy our lean and green and watch the Preakness. And I will be back for our last fueling. Well, I just made the decadent chocolate fudge brownie with Greek yogurt chips as my last fueling. And I'm going to sign off for the night. Mike and I are watching a movie, enjoying my family room, which my son normally occupies. And so we are having a little fire for one of the last cool nights of the season. I hope you have a good night, and I will see you tomorrow.